Some classrooms are equipped with the Samsung 850 document camera. In these classrooms, the document camera will not be available as a video source in Panopto. In order to capture video from the document camera, there are specific steps that will need to be taken in order to record the document camera in Panopto. Click the SDP850DX USB viewer icon on the desktop. When in Panopto, tick the box next to Capture Main Screen. This should be on by default. Use the SDP850 viewer to present from the document camera. Note, do not switch to the Doc Cam source on the Teacher Station control panel. Inside the SDP850 viewer program, you can control the zoom and focus, adjusting it to your content, as well as many other features. To aid with in-room projecting, record in Panopto, and screen sharing in Zoom, you can make the image full screen. Simply press the Escape key to exit the full screen mode. When finished with the document camera, simply hit Exit to close the program.